Pickleball is growing faster than ever, and if you've spent any time on the court lately, you've probably realized that the paddle you use can make or break your game. Whether you're dinking at the net, driving from the baseline, or just trying to get the ball over the net without spinning out of control, the right paddle changes everything. That's why today we're looking at 7 of the best pickleball paddles you can get your hands on right now, covering options for every skill level, play style, and budget. All the product links are down in the description. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Selkirk SLK Halo 16mm. This is the kind of paddle that makes control players fall in love with the soft game all over again. With its T700 raw carbon fiber face and a 16mm rev core plus polymer core, it gives you that plush, forgiving touch you want when resetting hard drives or laying down third shot drops. What stands out most here is just how much spin you can generate. It's in that elite category where dinks, rolls, and cut shots stay tight and controlled. You can choose between power and control versions, but the 16mm control build is where it really excels. Now, there are a couple trade-offs. It's a bit head-heavy, which can slow you down in quick hands battles unless you tweak the balance with lead tape, and the surface texture tends to wear down a bit faster than raw carbon over time. But for intermediate players who play a lot of doubles and rely on resets, consistency, and touch over brute power, this one brings serious performance. For its price range, it really punches above its weight with a premium feel and thoughtful build, plus that lifetime warranty is a nice bonus. Now, if you're watching your wallet but still want top-tier features, the Vatic Pro Prism Flash 16mm is a standout in the more affordable bracket. It features a Terray T700 raw carbon fiber face that delivers high-end spin performance and a soft, consistent feel on contact. The foam-injected edges add noticeable stability, and the overall construction feels much more advanced than you'd expect at this level. It's true that this paddle isn't built for maximum power. Drives can feel a little muted unless you really swing through, but for control players or anyone prioritizing resets, it's incredibly responsive. You might find yourself wiping the surface a bit more often since it collects grit, but in exchange, you're getting performance that rivals paddles at nearly double the price. This is the paddle I recommend most often to players who want to level up their soft game without committing to something premium tier just yet. It's easy on the arm, durable, and remarkably reliable in fast exchanges at the kitchen. Stepping up in terms of performance, the Joola Perseus Pro 4 is a serious contender for tournament play and advanced level competition. This one's loaded with technology, raw carbon surface, Tech Flex power layering for added dwell time, and a propulsion core that balances pop with forgiveness. You can pick between 14mm or 16mm thickness, depending on whether you lean more toward control or want some extra power. The elongated shape is a real asset for singles play, giving you reach and confidence when attacking from the baseline. And in doubles, the 16mm version helps keep resets clean and fast. It's incredibly stable thanks to foam in the throat, and the paddle just feels locked in on contact. Now, it's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, and for casual players that might be hard to justify. But if you're playing competitively or even just looking to invest in a paddle that helps you grow into a more aggressive game, this one delivers. Unlike some power paddles that sacrifice touch, the Perseus maintains control without dulling your offensive edge. I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive. For those more focused on control and hand speed in tight exchanges, the Volair Mach 2 Forza offers a very different feel. While the Perseus is long and powerful, the Forza brings a wide body shape that's built for quick hands, smooth resets, and big sweet spot forgiveness. It's available in both 14mm and 16mm thicknesses, giving players the option to prioritize quicker pop or a softer, more forgiving touch depending on their style. Its carbon fiber face generates excellent spin, some of the highest in its class, and the unibody thermoform design offers fantastic durability. This is the paddle you want when you're in the kitchen, mid-rally, battling for control. It's not going to win you any awards for baseline drives or max power, but it makes up for that with hand speed and touch. And even though it's more of a control paddle, there's just enough pop to finish points when you need to. What makes it particularly attractive is how it combines high-performance features with a more moderate price tag. You won't exactly win popularity contests running this at full speed during family nap time, but in a fast-paced doubles match, it's a secret weapon. If you're after a paddle that truly does it all, the Joola Ben John's Hyperion 16mm brings all-court versatility with a slight lean toward offense. Designed in collaboration with Ben Johns himself, it features either a carbon abrasion surface or a carbon friction surface, both of which delivers serious spin potential. The 16mm version keeps things plush and forgiving, but there's still plenty of punch thanks to the AeroCurve design and reactive polymer core. It's a little heavier than others on this list and does feel somewhat head-heavy, which might wear you down during longer sessions. Still, for players looking to drive, dink, and counterpunch all in the same match, this is a paddle that flexes with your playstyle. It's especially good for players transitioning from tennis who want that elongated grip and head shape to feel familiar. And once broken in, the spin and touch come together really nicely. Definitely a paddle that rewards versatility and confidence. Now, for something that blends comfort with control, the Pickle Hurricane Pro offers a well-rounded package that delivers far more than expected. With its square shape and raw carbon fiber face, it brings excellent spin potential, a massive sweet spot, and standout stability thanks to its foam perimeter. The 16mm version is especially appealing for players who favor a softer touch and want a paddle that stays consistent through long, demanding sessions. What really makes this paddle shine is how comfortable it is to play with. Even in multi-hour tournaments or back-to-back rec games, it remains easy on the arm and wrist. Picture yourself deep into a long match, working through dinking battles or defensive resets. This paddle helps you stay sharp without wearing you down. It may not be the go-to for raw power hitters, but for control-oriented players or those who value comfort and reliability, it's a very smart choice in the mid-range tier. Plus, the thoughtful design elements make it feel like it was built with everyday players in mind. Finally, let's talk about finesse, the Selkirk Sport Luxx Control. Epic 16mm is one of the most refined paddles on the market for players who prioritize feel above all else. Built with a 16mm X7 thickset honeycomb core and Selkirk's proprietary Florec carbon fiber face, it brings a uniquely plush response to every shot, ideal for resets, dinks, and high-precision play. The construction is smooth, stable, and quiet, and its edgeless design adds a sleek touch to what already feels like a high-end paddle. This isn't a paddle built for overpowering opponents, but that's exactly what makes it so strategic. It rewards players who think one shot ahead, those who win points with control and placement rather than sheer force. And while some paddles take a while to feel right, the Luxx feels natural from the very first point. For players who love a deliberate, confident soft game, it offers a level of touch and responsiveness that few others can match. Now, to wrap it all up, here's a quick way to think about these paddles based on what kind of player you are. If you're on a budget and want maximum performance for the price, the Vatic Pro Prism Flash gives you pro-tier spin and control without overspending. If you're always on the move and want something comfortable and easy to carry, the Pickle Hurricane Pro is lightweight, compact, and shock absorbent. For competitive or advanced players who need balanced power and control, the Joola Perseus Pro 4 brings serious firepower without giving up touch. Beginners or developing players will really benefit from the forgiving sweet spot of the Selkirk SLK Halo, especially if they're working on consistency. If you want one paddle that does it all, the Ben Johns Hyperion offers versatility with a little extra punch. Defensive players or those who love fast hands at the net should look toward the Volair Mach 2 Forza, which is built for control and kitchen battles. And for players who thrive on finesse, the Luxx Control Epic gives you a buttery, soft feel with unmatched touch. All the paddle links are in the description if you want to explore more or check availability. If this helped you narrow down your next paddle, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more gear breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the court.